Wix website for photographers step-by-step tutorial. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll share my own experience of how can we create our portfolio website for photographers. Nothing hard, so let's get started. Firstly, of course, you'll need to create an account. So find any Wix page and then click on start or sign in, and then create an account with your Gmail, or you can create a separate account, doesn't matter. And after that, you'll come to your dashboard right up here. You can click on create a new site in the right top, but I definitely recommend you to open our Wix template page, so you'll be able to find a lot of templates. And I recommend you to start with the template. In this case, you'll be able to find cool templates, you can customize them, and then in the future, maybe your second website or third one, you can create them from scratch. You'll know all the features, all the interface, so yeah, it could be better, but at the beginning, I definitely recommend you to use a template. So here on the template page, in order to find it, you can search for Wix templates in your browser, and the first link will lead to this page here. So all we need to do is just simply open our page where we can find creative, and here we can find the photography. So let's click on it, and after that we'll come to this page where we have a lot of templates we can use, and depending on your purposes, for example here we can click on view to see how will it look like, and it looks yeah, we can try to basically scroll. I don't know why, but it doesn't work now. Let's try to use another template here. And yeah, now we can scroll, we can find all the photos, and it's quite good. Like, this website is quite simple basically. And if you want to use this template directly, you can click on edit this side. Let's try to discover some other templates, probably this one here. Let's click on view, and I think that this one is a little bit better. I think, yeah, it's quite simple, looks really good, really modern. Let's click on edit this side in the right top corner. So after that, we'll come to the next page where we can now edit all the content, add our own photos, our own images, and then we are able to interact with content inside. So the first thing we need to do is we need to manage all the pages. So as you can see here, in the top of the screen, we have this header where we have some, I don't know, work, journal, about, and contact. All of these are pages. We can switch between them. So we can click on here, go to journal, for example, and we can see how will it look like this. About page is a page about us. It's okay, let it be. And also we have a page with a contact, but I think that we can add all the contacts on the page with about. So let's manage them. Let's click on manage pages, and here I'd like to delete the journal page, and also I'd like to delete a contact page, so I don't need it. I'll add my contacts on about page a little bit later. Also, we can add some additional pages if it's necessary as for us. So yeah, services, projects, so we can add the services. For example, if someone wants to order the session with us, they can find it right up here, so you can definitely do that. And the next step we need to do is to customize probably wall font and color palette. So let's click on site design, click on change theme, and after that we can select something what is suitable as for us. In my case, I want to use this part here. So yeah, nothing hard as you can see. And the next step, we need to interact with content. Let's click on content here. We can click on edit text, add our own basically surname and name, add some description here if it's necessary, and basically you can interact with every single area. We can add different sections if it's necessary. So let's say if we want to add probably some welcome page, let it be like this. So for example, here we can add like order the photography session, we can write something for our visitors and do some other things. So in this case, you'll need to interact with content inside of your platform to customize it. It may take a little time, maybe a couple of hours or a couple of days, but it's worth it. So you'll create the best possible website. Then add your photos, click on quick edit or manage media, and then we can click on it once more. We can remove different photos, or we can click and then just simply replace them with other photos created by us. Or yeah, I'm going, as an example, use the stock images. So this is the easiest way of how to interact with this stuff. You can also add some section here with some additional things. With gallery, for example, we can click on gallery, find something suitable as for us, for example, for the other area. And let's say I want to add this collection here. So as you can see, it looks really, really decent. So after that, we are ready to interact with some additional things. We can open our workspace. We can click on Wix in the left top to open our dashboard. And here we can then add the custom domain if it's necessary. I'll show you how to get like custom domain in the future a little bit later. We can also go to analytics to find some analytics, marketing stuff if you want to promote your website. And also we can interact with SEO options. So how can we do it? On basically every single page, you can add some keywords to promote, to make it easier. So on the pages area here, click on manage pages, and here we can click on more and then find the SEO basics for every single page. So we can see how it will preview on Google. We can change the title tag, meta description. So yeah, it's really worth using. And then when you've added the SEO for every single page, we can click on publish, and voila, our website was published to the internet, which is quite good, really impressive. And here we can click on view, and now we'll see how will it look like. It's just for the simple visitor. And as you can see in the top of the screen, we have this like banner. This site was created with Wix. And the bottom of the screen will also get this feature. And if you want to remove it, we now need to upgrade our plan. So let's click on upgrade in the right top, upgrade now. And then we can basically find all the plans. We have a business, business elite, core, and light. In my case, light is the best one to start with. So we can get custom domain, which is quite good. We'll receive free domain for 1 year. We'll remove Wix branding, get some storage space, lead capture forms, fields perform, and it's quite good. So it's enough to start with our like website for photographers. So yeah, now we are ready to launch it, and when it launch, we can then find it on our Wix Studio, on our workspace. We can find it right up here. So this is a way of how to create Wix website for photographers. Hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, subscribe. Goodbye, guys.